Here's a great question. Why do lawyers always seem to push divorce when people ask for legal separation? I've asked lawyers about this and they say that they're recommending divorce, not separation. Hi, I'm Rayford Palmer, managing partner of SCG Divorce Law in Chicago and the suburbs, answering your divorce questions. This is one we get once in a while in consultations where people say, well, I'm thinking about separation and, what is legal separation? And they ask about that. The reason that lawyers recommend divorce and not legal separation is they know that ultimately you're going to get divorced. And they also know that 99% of the time. And they know that a legal separation is not a divorce, and it's not a divorce junior or a half divorce. It's its own animal. A legal separation just means you stop the accrual of marital property and marital debt. And the court doesn't divide your property in a legal separation. You can do that by agreement, but the court won't do it for you. All the court will do is order maintenance and child support and stop the accrual of new marital property and marital debt, but you're still married and you can't marry somebody else. And you still have to get divorced if you want to get divorced, and you have to kind of start all over again. And importantly, even if you're paying maintenance or receiving maintenance, if you file a divorce case, theoretically, you can get a second bite at the apple and you can go back and ask for maintenance again, even though it was being paid in the separation case. So if you're paying alimony in a separate legal separation, word of caution, you may end up paying more because you get ordered to pay and don't get credit for the old payments during separation because you weren't divorced. So that's important for you to know. So the problem is, since it isn't a pre-divorce or a half divorce, and you have to go do kind of all the work of the divorce again, including property division, maybe alimony, and you got all the same issues. Most divorce lawyers are telling you it's a waste of your time and money to go through basically 85% of the work to not get anywhere near 85% complete in a divorce case. It's really a cost-benefit analysis. It's good for a very small number of people who maybe have a religious reason to not get divorced or some very unusual set of circumstances. But you're really better off if you just want to do a trial separation and live apart for a while, you might as well just do that. So a legal separation, you're spending almost the same time and effort as a divorce without, you might say, the benefit of getting divorced. That's why. So it's not some sinister plot on the part of lawyers. They just know that by and large, most people are going to end up wanting to get divorced, and they don't want to waste your money chasing around getting a legal separation. Thanks for the question. Please keep the questions coming.